Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Where's Mish, my friends. Thank you all so very much for being here and enjoying the scratch with me. I have one ticket from Delaware Lottery Games, ticket number 30, looking for a win, especially a claimer. Let's go. I wanted to go to bingo tonight, but I have class, so we're going to play bingo right now. I hope everybody is having an amazing day. As you've seen, we will be using Miss Riri, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful. She bought it back. It was a request. She brought it back. Thank you very much. Alright, so we know how to play bingo. Those are our numbers, the caller's numbers, that we are going to look to correspond to line up a line, four corners, or an X. If we get an X down here for $5,000, like, oh my goodness, on card number 4, let's get into the scratch on my little lunch break. Let's do it 2 at a time. 2 at a time. I bit my nail yesterday. Please excuse all that. The nerves. G51. We don't have any 51s in the bonus card. No. 151 right there. And we have a 074. No 074 over here. 074. Blam. And none down there. Next two numbers. G50. Oh, that's a 6. Oh, I'm looking at card number 4. G50. We have one at the top. N39. None in the bonus spot. I see 2. The free spot and the 39. A 39 on card number 3. That's so ugly. Did I do G50 already? I did. Line number. The line is at the door. Line number 2. I-30. We have a 30 in a bonus spot. This is a $3 ticket. I-30 in the bonus. Is there anywhere else? We have one here. Next to that free spot. Another one next to the free spot. And none down here. We have a 17 in the same row of the bonus card for $15. We have one here. None at the bottom 2 cards. Next 2 numbers. 065 is not there. Not there, but it's there. Not there, not there. We do 071? We did not. It's 2. Oh, we are 2 numbers off. 2 numbers away from the line. No 071. 063 is not up there. Not there. Not there. One is here. And that's it. No N31 in the bonus spot, but we have one here. We have one here. And we have none here. I don't know if it's me or is this hurting my eyes. 063. Did we do? We did that one. And we did 31. Okay. B11 is not in the bonus. And we have one here. Do we have an N38? Not up there. No, we have one here. None down here. None down here. Next line. I-18. Not there. One is here. Not there. Not there. Not there. N37 is not in the bonus, but it's here. Here. We are one away from the line. Not down here. I-18. Did I already say that? I do apologize. But it's nowhere here. I-19 is not in the bonus. It's one here. No. Next line. B7 and B5 is not in the bonus. We have a 7 here. No 5s. We have a 5 here. We have a 7 and a 5. No, we have a 7 here. Next two numbers. 068 is not in the bonus. We have one here. None there, one here. I said 68, my friends. I apologize. It's called the thing with the D. I done did 68. Do the same thing at bingo. And we need to be marking 67. Why did I mark 68? Throwing me off. Okay. Let's keep going. N35 is not there. No, it's here. N35. Finally got an N down here. G47 is a no. I forgot about football. G47 is here. No. Next two numbers. 073 is not there. We have one here. None there. One in the corner. One above. The number that we wasn't supposed to scratch. I-26 is not there. Not there. One is here. One is here. One is here. Last two numbers. Thank you so very much for being here. B15 is not there. No. And we have here. I-24. None in the bonus. Okay, my friends. Besides the number that we wasn't supposed to... Oh, it is a 068. What was I scratching? Because I missed this one. We don't have a 69. Ooh. If you've been watching my bingos, you'll get that.
Hey, bro.
Alright, so I don't see any four corners. We were off one four corner here for $50. We didn't line up anything. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please go right ahead, like, comment, share me out, and subscribe. If you are not a friend already, I'm going to check this ticket with the machine because that's what you're supposed to do. Alright, my friends, Mish is out. Take care, and I will see you all soon. Bye.